Hi, good morning to everyone. Welcome to the wonderful MagHive training. My name is Suhail Pasha. I'm from Bangalore, India. I'm here in Dubai from past 4 years. Um, I want to add uh, I want to add a little bit more about myself. My sponsor is the great leader, Mr. Anand Bharti, and I'm into this business from past 1 year. Um, Now I have started building with MagHive support, and I like to add few lines for today's representer. He comes from vast experience, 17 years of experience here banking, 4 years of direct sales industry, and 8 months in Magnus business with MagHive. Always ready to help and support. Very dynamic uh, personality, Mr. Vaibhav Vetkar. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Suhel. Thank you so much for the wonderful edification. So, Suhel has edified me very well. So, I was just started Magnesa 9 months before in December 2020. My sponsor is Mr. Ganesh Navnandi. He has approached me at the right time because that time I was in a dilemma. I was on the edge whether again start the job or continue with the another company, network marketing company. So he has approached me at the right time, and Mr. Anand Bharti has shown me the plan, and I started. So I'm building this business now, and today I am going to talk about the network marketing industry. How this industry is solid strong. I will I will tell you everything about this industry. Means there are many misconceptions about this industry. Means people having the bad image about this industry. Now I will going to tell how the industry is solid strong, and I will tell you the turnover and all the other points. So I'm sharing my presentation, so all can see.
Yes,
Yes, okay. Then today's topic is why not network marketing. Why we have choose this industry, network marketing. Okay, this industry is known with the very name like chain marketing, direct selling industry, affiliate marketing. Many names are there. Okay, but earlier there was no guidelines in India, so many company came and do the fraud and scams. ओके तो ये कंपनी वैसे ही ये इंडस्ट्री वैसे ही बदनाम हो गई ओके बट आई विल टेल यू लिटिल बिट अबाउट दिस इंडस्ट्री व्हाई वी नीड नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग okay first of all you can start with the minimum capital here we don't need any capital in Magnesa, right? We don't need any capital. There is no investment, but there is a purchase. Okay, so you can start the business with the very minimum capital, and there is a no risk because there is no investment. When money comes into the picture, you will get one thing as a gift, that is risk. So this is a risk free business, and you can start as a part time, and after some time you can overcome your prior uh, main major source of income and start as a full time. Okay, then immediately you can start and you get your earning get start. And another point is anyone can do it, whether it is housewife, student, old age. It will not ask you what is your caste, what is your religion, what is your community. Nothing will ask. Anyone can start this business. You can start this business, you can do this business at sitting home only. Right now we are doing, because technology has so much improved that we can operate this business through home only. We can operate digitally. So whenever we start the business, what we will do the first mistake, that is we take advice from others. Okay, we take the advice from others. Then who are the other person? Are these people are the right people to take the advice from? Mother-in-law, MBA, best friend, neighborhood store owner, or uncle, engineer, boyfriend, doctor. Are these people expert of this network marketing team? No. If we have headache, then we'll go to the doctor, not to the engineer. Likewise, we need to, while starting this, while working with this industry, we need to take advice from the experts only. So are these experts? Are these people expert? No. Then who are the expert? He is Mr. Bill Gates. He is the founder of Microsoft. Okay, and he is the world richest man, right? And he is having the credibility. When he speaks something, it will become a statement. So whenever he speaks, he need to speak very carefully. And what is saying about this network marketing? Okay, what is saying about the network marketing? And what reporter has asked him, what if you lose everything and you have to start from the scratch? Then what he said, if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing, because he know the what is the caliber of the network marketing. Okay, then we need to take advice from these experts, people who is having credibility in the world, right? Then what do experts says about the network marketing? Mr. Warren Buffett, he is the richest man. And whenever he says, it become a statement, and many countries economy shake because of this statement. Many countries economy policy get changed. What he says about this industry, the best investment I have ever made. That is the big statement he has made about this industry. Once he told that Bitcoin is a illegal currency, and within 2 to 3 weeks, India has declared Bitcoin as a illegal currency. That much credibility he is having. Another person is Robert Kiyosaki. Okay, he has wrote a book, Cash Flow Quadrant, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and he retired at the age of 40. And he is doing nothing. He is financially free. He is just writing a book on financial freedom. What he is saying about the network marketing? Network marketing gives people the opportunity with very low risk and low financial commitment to build their own income generating assets and acquire good wealth, right? And he is Bill Clinton. He is a well known personality. He is very famous personality. He was ex US US president, right? And what he said is, what he's saying about this industry, you strengthen our country and our economy not just by striving for your own success, but by offering the opportunity to others. He made that statement when there was a recession time, and US has faced the biggest recession. At that time, network marketing industry helped their economy to build the economy and strengthen the country's economy. And another person is Bob Proctor. He has made one documentary film, The Secret. And what is saying about this industry? What you sow, you reap. It is the law of nature. Network marketing is perfectly aligned with that. You truly get exactly what you are worth. It's a law of nature, right? It's a law of nature. How you treat your business, business will treat you like like this. Okay. I want to add one more point here. If you do this business like a, you want to do yeah you need to do the business like a farmer attitude, not with the hunter attitude. If you have an attitude to help the people, then you will be successful. Don't do this business with the selfish mindset. So we need to so this is a slide about the net worth, about the each and every industries. There's the NFL industry, National Football League, which is having turnover in a year, that is $12 billion. Music industry $15 billion, movie industry $38 billion, organic food industry $80 billion, and video gaming industry $91 billion. and these are the figure of 2018, I think. Now current is $197 billion direct selling turnover in a year. So direct selling industry is having much more network than this company, than these industries. So this is a slide about the turnover per year, that is $183 billion. Okay, turnover per day 50 crores 13,69,863. Turnover per hour 2 crores 8,90,410. And turnover per second, that is 3 crores 3,48,173. And if we convert into Indian rupees, it will become 2 crores 38,48,109. That means every second in this direct selling industry is very important. So don't waste the time, utilize each and every second of your time and utilize it fully. Don't waste the time. So this is the top direct selling global markets. Okay, United States is having 20%, China is having 19%, Japan 8%. And here can you see UAE, India, Philippines, Sri Lanka? This country is not there. And I want to talk about the industry. I want to talk about the India. India is having second largest population in the world, and they are not in the 10. That means we are having the biggest market. That means if our neighbor, our brother, or our best friend say no to us, that means market is not over. The whole world is our market. There are 137 billion population in the world. Yeah, sorry, in India. So this is a pie graph, and this is the 23 countries account for 93% global direct selling industries. Here India comes at the 22nd rank. That means there is a large number of chances market is there. ओके बहुत बड़ी मार्केट है यहाँ पे इंडिया में, बिकॉज द होल वर्ल्ड इज लुकिंग फॉर इंडिया बिकॉज ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन एंड बिकॉज एंड awareness about this industry, right awareness about this industry is not there. So everyone is focusing on the India. So this is the biggest this is the क्या बोलता है right time to focus and start. So let's compare the distribution model. What are the distribution models? First is traditional. Under a traditional model, manufacturers, CNF, wholesaler, distributor, retailers, and customers comes. And their challenges is it is cost intensive. This cost is very high. You cannot means there is a lot of cost required, and it is not easily scalable because there are many things like you need startup capital, working capital to maintain everything. There are so many taxes, many things are there. So it is a major challenge. And another distribution model is franchisee means you take the franchise of Starbucks, McDonald's, Pizza Hut. Okay, there is an excellent market penetration and have the great opportunity for the expansion. But what are the challenge they are facing? Huh? To start this business you need high capital, very high capital, and there are very bureaucratics means you need to operate the business on their terms only. You cannot do it means you cannot sell vada pav or anything or chicken or any other items in their shop, in their outlet, right? And another distribution model is e-commerce. E-commerce means like Amazon, Flipkart, Ola, Uber, Swiggy. Okay, they are easily scalable. Their global reach is also high. These are also cost effective means anyone can start, but their challenge is market penetration. And another is network marketing, macro franchising. Huh? There is a global opportunity and we can start the business with very negligible capital, very minimum capital, and in our Magnesa, capital is not required. I have already told that there is no investment, only purchase is there. And what is the challenge? The challenge is lack of control. You cannot control everything. That is the main challenge, but you can overcome but you can overcome this by this. But first we have to compare this franchises and network marketing. The seed capital, that is startup capital requirement, is very high in franchisee, but in network marketing it is low and almost nil. Working capital is high, very high, and here negligible. Working capital is what in network marketing is your time. आप जितना भी टाइम दोगे, वॉट एवर टाइम यू आर गिविंग टू दिस बिजनेस, that will is a working capital. And risk, here risk is very high because finance, money comes into the picture, right? Huge capital, and here the risk is very low, and break even point is 2 to 5 years, right? But here it's immediately because we pay the price for the products and we get the product within a week. So break even point comes very immediately, and control is very high because they are very bureaucratic, and control is very low. But we can put the control, and hence we need a strong system and training, right? Because of the strong system and trainings, we'll have the control. We need to sustain into this business. Okay, then how most people live their life? This is start from the birth and death. From 1 to 20 years, we live like a life like a king. Okay, we laugh, we learn, we play, and we enjoy life like anything, right? This is the best time. This is the best time in our life, and life between 20 to 65. It's survive for Monday only, Monday to Friday. We all wait for the Saturday and Sunday, and in Dubai we are wait for the Friday and Saturday, right? We get drunk on the weekends. We wait for the weekends and get drunk. We stop learning, and we complain about the how hard the life is, how unfair the life is, and only there is only work and work only. Okay, and at the age of 65 to 80, we are tired and having regret that why we have not started. Everything was there, but I have not taken the decision. The regrets are already there, always there, and we wish to be young again and wait for the date to come. Okay, whatever time you spend, most of your life, most of your time you spend in working in a job, okay, which you don't like. 95% people do the job which they don't like. Okay, this is why being a passionate about what you do is important. Don't live an empty life. So this is the cash flow quadrant. This is explained. There is a book, Cash Flow Quadrant, written by Robert T. Kiyosaki. What he has written, there are the four ways, legal and ethical ways to earn the money. That is E, employee quadrant. Second one is self-employee quadrant, means doctor, lawyer, or CA, and business owner like Tata, Ambani. Okay, and investor like Warren Buffett, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. They are the investor. These are the four quadrants. These four quadrants divide into two. This four quadrant divide into two things, two part. That is left quadrant and right quadrant. These people, the population of the left side is 95%, and the population of right side quadrant is 5%. Okay, but one thing, when I heard, I shocked. 95% of the wealth is amongst the right side quadrant. That is 5%. What that is with the 5% population, and only 5% wealth with the 95% population. And once, suppose ek din, if God comes and distribute all the wealth equally amongst all the four quadrants, after some year now, the scenario will be same. You know why? Only one thing is responsible, that is mindset. They focus, these people, right side quadrant people, they focus for why only. Their why is very strong. They know why I have to do it, and these people focus on how and what part. Okay, these people, they focus on the instant gratification. They work for 30 days and expect salary. But these people are ready to wait. They work on the delayed gratification. They can wait for the 5 to 6 months or for a year also. But they know after the long wait, they can earn money like hell. Okay, is Mr. Robert Kiyosaki. What is saying about this industry? The richest people in the world look for and build the network. Everyone else look for the work, right? So this business is system dependent business. So we have to duplicate the business and business practices. So we have to follow the policies and follow the set process. So Mag Academy and MagHayu, both are the team will help you to give you the trainings, to give you the system tools, to give you sorry system tools and help you to grow in this business. So duplicate best practice, duplicate best practice, duplicate best practice, and build the network. So why the government is in love with the direct selling? इतना प्यार क्यों है direct selling से? Because this slide is self-explanatory, right? Means after some year, means it's already started, but after some year, human will be replaced with robots, and this is the danger. This is very dangerous thing. And American are more worried that about the AI, artificial intelligence, that many jobs will be lost. And this is the fear of AI. The orange bar indicates create the job, and the gray bar indicates reduce the job. You can see what is the difference. There is a huge difference between the job creation and reduction in the job. And after some time, AI will be there, robots will be there, which know everything. On a one button click, they get all the reports. If you manipulate the thing, they will tell you. You don't need to teach me. I know everything. And before 2016 in India, there were no guidelines. So many company came, did the fraud, and fooled the people. So there is a misconception. There is a misconception amongst the people in India about this industry. So everyone come on the back foot while starting with this business. So after 2016, this Ram Vilas Paswan has उन्होंने एक गाइडलाइन एक सेट किया है. He has set a one guideline for this industry. This is the cutout of the newspaper guideline for direct selling issued with the intention of facilitating ease of doing business, says Ram Vilas Paswan. Changes in the technology and modes of the communication on with the higher interest rate, that is millennial generation is in love with this industry. And he is Mr. Amitabh Kant. He is CEO of Niti Aayog, who manages all the economy of the country. Okay, what is saying about this direct selling industry? Direct selling industry is a core component of government flagship campaign. Flagship campaign means Make in India, Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, Swachh Bharat, Khelo India. That campaigns are called flagship campaign. And direct selling, and what is saying, you are the core component of direct selling industry. That is big statement he has made. And he is saying another thing, that is, you the direct selling professionals are doing a very respectable profession. You are the economic drivers for the growth of India, so we respect you. Means every country's economy based on their employment ratio. Okay, without doing anything, government are getting taxes, right? So we are building the economy and we are the economy pillar, so we should be proud. We must have proud on this. This is flagship campaign. And in Kerala, he is Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. He is the Chief Minister of Kerala. He has already started that, means without any degree from the qualified institution about network marketing. For network marketing, you cannot do the network marketing. You must have the network marketing degree, then only you can do the network marketing business. And direct selling industry, this is very old one. Till 2025, the FICCI report has told that the turnover of the direct selling industry in India will be 64,500 crores. And this is the birth of the network marketing industry. 2000 is there was a recession. In 2009, birth of automation and robotics. Then in 2000, birth of AI, and massive layoff was there. And US is the most affected country. And then birth of the network marketing industry. And that time, growth of network marketing had started in India. And but the absence of the framework and many network marketing scams and chain pyramids यहाँ पे बहुत ही बदनाम हुई थी. मीन्स देर आर मेनी मेनी मिसकंसेप्शन अबाउट दिस इंडस्ट्री. So there were no network framework for the network marketing. And after 2000 there is a framework of this end, and remove all the perceptions about this industry. And India and the Supreme Court has also given the statement about this favorable statement for this network marketing industry. And by 2020, direct selling will be grow up to 16,000 crores business in India. And to be a successful, you must work hard, think smart, stay committed, be prepared for initial challenges. Initial challenge means rejections, negativity, distractions. You need to face that one. And must be dedicated closely, following the established and proven business plans. And MagHayu provide the tools, support system for you to succeed in the business and become financially free. So be committed to yourself, be committed to business, and always submit to upline. He will help you to grow. And it's a system based business, so duplicate the business and business policies and business practice. It's only way to build your system, and this is not a get rich quick scheme. So thank you so much. I have finished my presentation. Now over to you, MC. Thank you so much. Over to you, Suhel.